Hey, what's going on, guys? This is the latest and greatest involving Bitcoin, Elon Musk, and our national debt. Now, for those who don't know, Elon Musk reignited fiscal fear, saying the U.S. is hurtling toward bankruptcy with a $38 trillion national debt growing by half a trillion in a single month. Interest payments now exceed the entire military budget. Musk expressed to Joe Rogan that the only escape to this debt is AI and robotics driving hypergrowth. Now, how Bitcoin matters in all this, for those who don't know, is that Tesla and SpaceX together hold about 2 billion in Bitcoin exposure. Musk has expressed his lack of confidence in fiat currencies and suggesting that they're hopeless. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent added fuel by endorsing Bitcoin as a future reserve asset. Now, the macro angle here is Bitcoin has historically surged during debasement periods when U.S. debt climbs and confidence in fiat weakens. Musk's comments set the philosophical tone: Bitcoin as insurance against monetary decay. Now, the reality check to all of this is that Bitcoin has reported a loss for the first time in the month of October in 7 years. Bitcoin closed October 2025 down 1%, ending its 7-year positive Octobers. The drop began October 10 after President Trump threatened new tariffs on China. Even after its temporary trade truce, crypto failed to bounce. Now, the institutional sentiment analyst Martin's on-chain data shows the Coinbase premium gap plunging. Bitcoin ETFs saw over 1.1 billion in combined outflows across October 29th to October 31st. Historically, such negative premiums precede short-term price weakness. Takeaway here is U.S. investors appear cautious, cashing out into safer assets, even as macro headlines like Musk's warning argue for Bitcoin as protection. The result is a market caught between belief in Bitcoin's long-term case and fear of near-term pain. Now, there are two possible scenarios here. Currently, Bitcoin hovers around 110,000, trapped between 109,000 support and 114,000 resistance. The 100-day moving average near 114,000 is capping rallies. The 200-day around 109,000 keeps it afloat. Trading volume is rising, which is suggesting a coiled spring setup. Now, either there's a break above 114,000, which will trigger a short squeeze and renewed ETF inflows with a target range of 120 to 125,000, which means there will be a monster breakout fueled by sideline liquidity, or the fall below 108,000, which will then trigger sustained ETF outflows / global risk off. Target range of about 102 to 105,000, let's say. Trapdoor correction, if you will, before next accumulation phase. Psychology behind all this is both bulls and bears agree. The stalemate can't last. The market is compressing volatility. Whichever side breaks first could dictate Bitcoin's tone for the rest of 2025. I don't know, guys. I'm just here to report the news. What do you think about what Musk said? What do you think about our national debt? What do you think about Bitcoin? Leave your comments down below. I'm very interested to hear what you guys have to say.